What's up everyone, welcome to Mission to Medicine. My name's Akeem Henry and thank you for joining my channel today. Today I am discussing the 2020 iPad Pro. I am unboxing this bad boy today. I'm so excited. I've been really wanting to update my iPad for a very long time, but I've been waiting, holding out for so many years. I decided to cop the iPad Pro in 2017 with the model that still had the home button on it. And I really liked it a lot, and I thought it was fine and there was no need to upgrade. But now with the new Magic Keyboard for the iPad, I got a little tempted, started doing a little bit more research, starting to see more that I can do with the iPad, and it can almost be that, laptop replacement like they said. So it kind of convinced me to get the iPad Pro this time around. So I made the purchase. I was kind of nervous, but I did it. And so now we're gonna unbox this bad boy and see what's good. So let's get started. Straight out of the box. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Apple already with that packaging. Nice, safe, and secure right there. So let me tell y'all something. I ordered this about a week and a half ago. Completely excited to get it. I ordered the Apple Pencil. The Apple Pencil actually came a lot more quicker. They had this in stock. This is the Gen 2 Apple Pencil, and this is the 2020 iPad Pro. The Magic Keyboard right now hasn't shipped yet. I'm still waiting to get that, so I'm really excited when that comes to test it out and try it out, and I'll probably make a video on that. But let me know if you all want to do a comparison video between the 2020 iPad Pro and the 2017 model iPad Pro, because I had this one for a very long time. I'm going to actually sell it because I don't need two iPad Pros. They're both very powerful machines, but I wanted to upgrade the one that I had from the one that I had. So now we're here to the iPad Pro. Look at the color on this thing, like woo, beautiful. So I'm going to unbox it. I got the 1 terabyte version this time around. Last time for the 2017 model I had 250 gigabytes, which is pretty fine. But now I think I'm going to be doing a lot more computing and a lot more heavy tasks building on this iPad. So that's why I decided to go with the 1 terabyte, because I need that extra storage to do a lot more cooler things on it. Because the photos that I have, videos that I make, the notes that I take for class, this is gonna be a beast. It's gonna be perfect for it. 1 terabyte, y'all. 1 terabyte. What can I do with all of that memory? I don't know, but we'll see. Apple packaging is just it's undefeated. So I decided to go with the 12.9 inch liquid display model instead of the 11. When I first got the iPad in 2017, that model, I got the 10.5 inch. I liked it a lot, but I found myself kind of goofing off and just using it for like entertainment and consumption. I use it a lot for school too, don't get me wrong. That was the main purpose of it. But I feel like with the bigger model, I'll probably be using it a lot more for productive purposes, trying to get tasks done, staying organized, completing school assignments, not really geeking off too much because the screen's so big. I don't want to fall victim to that in class and stuff like that. So I want to be very mindful with how I use this machine. And yes, it's like a big sheet of flat piece of paper. It's so nice and clean as far as the wrapping, elegant. And look at that, it has the quad camera display on the back there, or 3 camera display. It's like a cube. It's really nice. And here inside the box you have the charger, USB type C of course, and that's pretty much it. And then the instructions, and let's see if they include the Apple stickers. iPad Pro, and yes, Apple stickers are here. Baba, voila. So yeah, I kind of got convinced to go with the 12-inch model this time around because my sister had a 12-inch model, and I just kind of like, when I was ever using hers to do work on it, I kind of just fell in love with that big screen. It kind of addicted. It was addicting. So I was just like, all right, let me just get the big screen. But the things that stand out a lot for me, obviously the 1 terabyte is good. It goes up to 1 terabyte. It's not that expensive compared to the last time. They have loud speakers. They updated the mics. The mics are a lot better on this time around, so that's really good. And it has the A12Z chip, which is a very powerful chip that can help for processing and things like that. And then it has, it's pretty much standard and it's similar to the previous model, which people were saying that if you could get your hands on the 2018 model, definitely try to get that model instead of this model, because it's basically the same iPad, which I definitely recommend. But when I did my shopping, try to look for any refurbished ones or people selling them, I didn't really find any good deals. So I just decided to go all in and just get the new 2020 model, because this is gonna last me a very long time. That's what I'm expecting. So let's get it powered up and started. Take the wrapper off. Yes, this has 4 speaker audio, 2 on the bottom, 2 on the top. Turning it on. There we go. Very clean. I love this, y'all. And guess what? This video is not sponsored by Paperlike. Every single YouTuber that's doing an iPad review or unboxing talking about how their video is sponsored by Paperlike. This video is not sponsored by Paperlike, so don't expect me to say that. Sorry, Paperlike, but if you want to sponsor me, sponsor me. Full disclosure, this video is not sponsored by Paperlike. I know every other YouTuber's YouTube video on iPad Pro right now is saying that their video is sponsored by Paperlike. You don't gotta worry about that here. We straight up just doing it raw, no money, no backing, no none of that. Straight up unboxing. No opinions suggested and motivated by Paperlike. So right now I'm setting up the iPad. One of my friends just texted me about his iPad Pro. He just got the Magic Keyboard and he loves it. He said it just took it to a whole nother level. He said he's not gonna even probably have to pick up his MacBook anymore. And he said he doesn't understand why some of y'all reviewers on YouTube have so many negative comments, because he can actually replace his MacBook. And so he said, for y'all, you need to go and screw yourselves. Oh my goodness. But yeah, no, honestly, this new iPad with the Magic Keyboard, it's saying one, it's definitely the real deal when it comes to replacement and for its operations and just using it. This is the original iPad right here that I had, an iPad Pro. It works really well. It's pretty, good, but it's time to upgrade. It's time to upgrade. So I'm gonna be selling this bad boy. 250 gigabytes, has an Apple Pencil, have endless cases for it. Still very good. So we'll see how much I go for it. Comment down below how much you think I should sell it for. And if you're interested, then let me know, because I have it available. So let's unbox this Apple Pencil. Apple Pencil. You can't get an iPad Pro and not get the Apple Pencil. If you don't get the Apple Pencil, do you really have an iPad Pro? That was a rhetorical question, by the way. So it's very easy. Just took the wrapping off and peel it on out like that. Pop pop. Whoop. And off the bat, it feels different to the previous Apple Pencil that I own, because this one has a magnet strip on the side where it can connect easily to the side of the MacBook, of the iPad to pair. How you do this? See, I'm new at this, y'all. Here we go. There we go. Now it's synced. Whereas the old Apple Pencil, as you can see here, you can't put it on the side, and it's more rounded. It's like really rounded. This one has a flat side to it where it has a magnetic strip where it connects like that. So this is my unboxing of the iPad Pro. I hope you all enjoyed it. This is my little brief conversation as I unbox it. I'm really looking forward to be using this for the school semester. I'm about to start graduate school, and I really can't wait to just use it and figure out what's going to be the best things I can do it. I'm also using it for business to edit photos. I'm a videographer and photographer on the side, making videos for my YouTube channel, also work on my clothing brand. So I'm going to be using it for a lot of different things. It's an investment that I'm hopefully going to be able to make a lot of money from to help pay back the money that I invested into this. I always spend a lot of money on investments, things that can help me make more things and get more money from those things that I make to help pay for itself. I don't just buy things just because. People think just because you have a lot of tech, oh, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, that might be true, but I have to make smart purchases, smart decisions. All right, y'all. Catch you on the next video. Please comment down below let me know if you want me to do any more in-depth reviews of the iPad Pro or do a comparison to the previous generation iPad Pro that I have still before I sell it. I'm also thinking about probably going through and talking about some of the apps that I use on the iPad Pro to increase my productivity as a student. So comment down below, let me know what you all think. Give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share with your friends if you want to. I see you all in the next video. Peace!